Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some square to square transitions. We'll be working with a 4x4 transitioning to a 7x7 square, and we're going to give it a 5-inch height like that. And once we get done, we'll be producing this piece, and then once you get done with that, then you just duplicate it 3 more times or 4, and then tape it or weld it depending on the application that you're going to use it for. Alright, let's get to it. So let's go ahead and start with a square of the 7x7. And we're going to put the 4x4 square on the inside. It's not going to have an offset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So just so you guys know ahead of time, this will be just in the center. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you can do this on whatever shape you want to do it, but this lesson here is just, you know, a non-offset exercise, so it'll be easy. So I'm going to use that information and then transfer it here. Strike an arc there, do the same thing on this side, strike an arc there. And then just to kind of give you guys a heads up, since this is a really quick video, this is just to kind of give you an idea of what's to come later in the future. Later on I will be making an in-depth video of square to square transition in detail, you know, as to why things are done the way they're done, or different methods of doing it, and things to kind of look out for. So yeah, look out for that. But this is just kind of give you an idea of what's to come, and you know that it's easy. I will definitely guide you guys through it. So yeah, no worries on that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Whoops, I didn't do that. Okay. All right, 7x7 to a 4x4. Okay, let's go ahead and do a true length triangle so we can get that prepped. And remember, we're going to give it a 5-inch height. So I'm going to start right here from this point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is our 5-inch height mark. Okay, so check this out. So all you're going to concentrate is these 2 points right here, right? The distance from here to here, which is here to here. So that point is this, okay? And this point here is that. So all you're going to do is raise that up to 5 inches. So the way to do that is you take your compass, put your sharp point right here, then open it up to that point there, which is here. And then transfer that onto your true length triangle like this. Swing it over. Okay. Now what you do is you take your compass, put your sharp point on that mark that you just did. Open up your pencil point to the 5-inch height mark. We're going to lock it in place like so. See that? And then since these 2 points represent 7 inches, I'm just going to go ahead and use that as starting points. So I'm going to strike an arc here and here because this is 4 inches. So watch. Boom. Put it here. Boom. That is this. See that? See how it matches? So that's how you do a square to square transition. Stay tuned for the next video or for the other video. I'll see you guys in the next one.